welcome to the Salamangka Hotel here in Siquijor, I forgot where I was for a minute, which is about 20 minutes in a tuk-tuk from the main port, I believe it took. And then, yeah, Siquijor's in between Bohol and Dumaguete. So the ways to get here is either fly to Tekbalara and get a boat. That takes about 2 hours, or Dumaguete, which takes about 45 minutes, I believe it was. Plus then you're transfer to the port, which isn't too far, it's quite a small town, but if you do go to Dumaguete, beware, you might get delays or cancellations, as we discovered in the previous video where we were flying from Cebu. There was tailwind, so the plane couldn't land. But first thing we're going to do is show you what the reception looks like, so you get an idea of what the hotel looks like. It's definitely really, really nice. What we've been told is one of the nicest hotels here in Siquijor, and we've already had our first night here and we definitely confirm room super comfortable, air conditioning's amazing, room is super cold, just what you want. And there's also a really nice swimming pool, which is very, very deep as well, so you can practice scuba diving in there if you've never done it before. And also swim around. There's happy hour with half price cocktails, I believe it is, but I'll show you that in a minute. But first thing first, I'm absolutely starving, so let's go get some breakfast. Let's make our way back into the hotel, where we have rooms. They're all like chalets where you can stay. These ones are just by the main reception, which is here. Front gates just over there, security guard, car park. We've got the main reception. Hi. This is the restaurant area where we're going to get some breakfast now because I'm absolutely starving. It's all very quiet. We've got kitchen and lots more seating areas around here. It's all very well looked after. Lots of people working, looking after the grounds. And you've got, I think it's a spa. The gym and spa is this room, which actually I thought was another chalet. You've got more rooms here. This looks like to be a big block of rooms, possibly. I'm not entirely sure. But first things first, let's get breakfast, which has already been ordered for an international breakfast with bacon, eggs, and some bread, I'm told. And it comes with coffee for 500 pesos. So let's wait for this to arrive and I'll tell you exactly what it's like. Our international breakfast, where we have some stacks of bacon, egg, melon, mango, not melon. But what we can do is do the incredibly English thing and make a bacon sandwich. So let's do that.
So in between order now, consider isang Filipino breakfast, tocino, garlic rice, orange juice, sunny side up, add bacon, and so sir, it's from Filipino breakfast, bangus, garlic rice, orange juice, and sunny side up na malasang.
Nice and crispy. Wash it down with some coffee.
Thank you.
Which also comes with milk as well, which is also nice. That's breakfast done in the restaurant just behind me. But now let's go have an explore and I'll show you what it looks like walking down towards where our room is, and we've also got the swimming pool down there. Let's finish this walk around the bottom of the hotel where we have the swimming pool there. We've got all of the dive stuff here. Tanks in there, office for booking. Equipment and stuff in there. More equipment in there. Then we come right out and we have the main beach, which is actually the first time I've been here as well. As far as I got to was the swimming pool yesterday. But apparently it's supposed to be amazing for diving around here, and you don't have to go too far out either, because apparently when you go really far out there's nothing for you to see. It's a super quiet beach. A couple of local boats in the distance. Seems really, really nice. Let's go have a look around. For a first time exploration. So if there's anything you can see further down the beach, because I've got absolutely no idea. Though the sand is rather rough. And also looks really pebbly in the water. It's not like the nice sandy beaches of Boracay. This is really grainy sand. So you probably need to wear slippers, otherwise it's going to hurt your feet, especially if you're walking out into the sea as well. That looks like it's going to really hurt your feet. And I made that mistake the hard way when we were in El Nido, walking out to one of the beaches. I think it was at the hidden beach, with no shoes on. It bloody hurt your feet when you're walking on bits of coral. It looks like over there in the distance, I think that might be Dumanguete. And you've got the coast that goes round, and the harbour is somewhere around there, I believe. It's like 20 minutes in a tuk-tuk to get us to this hotel. I don't think it's too far. I think this is like the main area. It's San Juan, I believe it's called. And most of the hotels and stuff around here, there's a few restaurants and bars somewhere close, but I haven't explored those yet either. So let's go back up and then we'll go have a look at the swimming pool, which is really, really nice. From the pool where we were walking around before and the beach, which is just behind me, we've got our room, which is literally 2 steps from the swimming pool, so you can walk across there barefoot. Did that yesterday, it was fine. And I'll give you a quick tour of the room. So we have our nice double doors, which just open and close. They're also mirrored as well, which is quite good because it stops the sun from getting in during the day. Actually, what I will do is I'll open those up so we can get some more light in here. We have a nice big double bed, a seating area with my bag, GoPros, backpack, a big fan. There's also air conditioning here as well. Come around, we have a television with signal, which is satellite over here, remote controls, storage area, my sunglasses on the floor, so we'll put those up. And we've got a bedside table with slippers. Then we have a kitchen area as well, which I didn't know the rooms came with. I've used one of the glasses, but we have glasses, tea, green tea, Nespresso, a kettle, I think, a Nespresso machine, my charging area. And we've got a fridge, which has a mini bar, which I think you have to pay for. So you've got Cokes, beer, and red wine. Let's open up and have a look. So you've got San Miguel Light, San Miguel Pale, which is like a lager. Their normal soft drinks. Smirnoff Mule, which is vodka and something or another. Then we come in here and we have the bathroom, where we have a nice big sink, big mirror with me in it. Then bottled water. So these things we were given when we checked in. So instead of giving you bottled water, they give you these flasks, and then you can just go to a filling station, well, a water dispenser, and you fill them up as you go along. Then we've got a nice big toilet with a Japanese bidet, which is good. Then the main thing is the shower, which is actually ginormous. It's got a big rain shower, normal shower, soaps. So we've got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then there's the handle for the shower, which is super big, this shower as well. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Nice big shower. Definitely bigger than the other showers I've had. And then the only thing left to do is a bed test. So let's come back out. Nice big bed. And then we've also got stuff on the other side as well, bedside drawers on the other side. So now let's do a bed test. Very comfortable. And I can confirm it is comfortable. I slept in it last night and it's really, really soft. Like a memory foam, and the pillows are really comfortable as well. And it doesn't get too hot in here either with the air conditioning, which is just over there. It was a perfect temperature. And that's it for our time here at the Salamanca. Giving you a pretty decent tour of the hotel. We were going to show you a swimming pool, but today the weather's not been very good. I'm hiding underneath a tree at the moment, trying to keep out the rain. It's been absolutely pouring down since last night. But the pool's amazing, super, super deep, great. If you want to learn scuba diving and stuff like that, you can do all that in there. And it's definitely a really nice hotel. Probably one of the nicest ones in Siquijor. So I've been told anyway. Definitely well worth staying here. It's got everything you need. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.